How is everybody doing? It has been a little while since I posted my last video. I think I was down on the Susquehanna fishing for flathead catfish. It's been busy since then. I actually was out on a wildland fire out in California for 22 days. So that kept me pretty busy, and I might actually be going back this week. So I'm trying to get a video in before that happens. But as the fall progresses, I'll definitely be fishing a lot more as it cools back down and stuff. The water got really low this summer. Fishing wasn't, I did do some fishing, but it wasn't very good, at least for me. But we're back at one of my favorite rivers. It's been cold at night for the last like 2 weeks, so I'm here trying to catch some brown trout. I didn't fish for them all summer because of how hot it was. I don't really like doing that in the summertime. Sometimes when you catch them, it kills them because of stress, because of the hot weather. But I'm back, so I'm getting my gear on and I'm gonna give it a try. So we'll see what happens. There we go. There we go. I think it's a smallie. Didn't take too long. It was like maybe 10 casts and one just hit. Smallmouth. Dark one too. It's cold, it's cold. It hammered it. Not a bad one to start. Happy with that. There we go. There we go. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Sweet. I left that bait stop for a few seconds and it grabbed it when it was completely suspended. It's running right upstream to me. It's a good one. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah. It's a brown trout. I don't know, it might be a smallmouth. Another smallmouth. Dark one too. It's a good one too. Wow. Number 2 in about 20 minutes. 2 spots, 2 smallies. He inhaled that too, sideways. Probably a 16 plus incher. Not bad. Not bad at all. Ouch. Number 2, middle of September, smallmouth. Sweet. Here we go. There we go. Good fish. Good fish. Number 3. Oh! Throw it. That was another smallmouth. I hope that's gonna do it. We found another spot, but it's lower. It's not too deep. It's a decent hole, but it's just not deep. My bait's hit the bottom. I didn't have any bites. So, caught a couple. Can't complain. I think it'll get better as the fall progresses and it gets colder here in Pennsylvania, and the water, we get some more rain hopefully. So we'll be starting to hit it hard again. Anyways, thanks for watching. Keep reeling them in.